This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, swipe downwards from the right part of your status bar, then touch and hold at the Internet shortcut. Once at the Internet settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of, then tap on it. At the following network details section, go for the share option, and in here you'll be provided not only with the actual Wi-Fi network password right over here, but also with the QR code that can be further used and scanned practically and help some other device get connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network automatically. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.